Changing my kitchen backsplash. It's been a while. This kitchen paper has been on the wall, so you know, kind of freshen up the kitchen a little. I take off all the cupboards paper that was on the cupboard and just leave it, you know, white. And yeah, so now I'm gonna do this part, because this part here now, like when you cook and stuff like that, the oil will be like splashing on the wall. So this is why I do it like this, so it kind of prevents it from like staining the wall and stuff like that. So yeah, this is another home project that I'm doing while I'm here in warranty. So yeah, this is going to be another little project that I am doing, you know, quick and fast. So on the inside of the cupboards, organizing my cupboards and stuff like that, and you know, getting things organized up in here. So yeah, I'm taking all that's no good and throwing them out to make space for fresh stuff. Yeah, that I'm gonna take down, that thing that's hanging down there. So yeah, gradually everything is coming together. So yeah, this is where I have reached. So I carry it there and around. And you know what, all of these, what do you call it, wallpaper, I got from Dollarama. So I'm gonna finish up here, and yeah, just give the kitchen upliftment. My kitchen, it was okay, but it needed some woof. So this is what I did. I take off the wallpaper of the cupboards, wipe them down, leave them white. If I decide to, you know, that I want to add something to it later on, I will. But for now, yes. So I organize my cupboards, take all of these down, wipe down everything and organize them so nice it look. Yes, you know, take the glasses out, rewash everything, because sometimes when they're in the cupboard for too long, the stains is on them. And you know what, I'm proud you know, my kitchen feels welcoming, welcome, like yes girl, yes, it feels bigger, like more space and stuff like that. So the water fountain was over here. I switch it. I put the deep freeze here, put that there. The fridge is still there. My little cubby is still over there. I organized that also. Like, you know, things that are not needed, I just get rid of them. Okay. Yes. So, and then over here, I have some, you know, inspired little stickers that I stick right here. Dreams don't work unless you do. Party without a cake is just a meeting. And what I collect moments, not things. Exactly. Don't be a hoarder. Okay. Inspire dreams, create, choose kindness, friendship, warms the heart. What hell, heal, sunshine. And then a warm is so yes, this is uplifting my kitchen on a dime, on a, not a dime, sorry, on a dollar. So Dollarama budget. Uplifting my kitchen, Dollarama budget. So yeah, this is it. Finally, I am finished. So I'm going to show you guys what I use and then how much they cost in Dollarama and things. So hold on for that one. So I went to Dollarama. I got these ones here and they're like $3. So it's like 8 that comes into these ones and things. So you buy a couple of these. My daughter. Yes, Nana?
What are you doing?
I'm doing a video, okay? Give me 1 second, okay, baby girl?
Excuse me, Mom.
Yes, Adriana.
Can you take a picture with me?
After. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yes. So as I was saying before, Adriana was calling me. I got these from Dollarama. They're like $3, you know? Well, I mean, I said $3 budget to do the wallpaper and stuff on the wall. And they have like different color and shapes. But these ones, they didn't have no more. So I just did the dark ones. And then don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification. Click the notification bell. And